How to fix Telegram two-step verification issues. Trouble with Telegram two-step verification. Let's fix that. If you forgot your two-step password, unfortunately Telegram can't recover it, so you will need to reset your account. Make sure your email for password reset is verified. Go to settings, then tap on privacy and security, then tap on two-step verification and follow prompts to update or disable it. If the app won't accept your password, double check for typos or keyboard language issues. If logged out, wait 7 days before you can reset your password via email. Use a strong password and keep your recovery email up to date. Have you faced two-step verification lockouts? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.